Hello everybody and welcome to another session of What's New in RapidMiner. This time we talk about a new extension. It's called CoreNLP because it wraps the CoreNLP package from Stanford, and it has a single operator right now, the NLPTagger operator, and this is released in August 2021. And what is this used for? So what it can do, it can take a text, any free text, and tells you basically two things. It tells you are there persons in there, cities in there, like entity recognition, but the other one, it also shows you this is a verb, this is a subject, and it's relating to this and that. And the use cases, of course, if you have free text and you want to know what person is this talking about, what organization is this talking about, so you can use this really as a cool pre-processing method, or sometimes even the thing itself. You want to know, oh, this document is about RapidMiner, this document is about football, these kind of stories. So you can use it very, very simply. We use the create example set operator to create a few rows of data here, like the sentences about Boston, Budapest, Dortmund, and London. These are the locations of the RapidMiner offices. And this is the first sentence of Wikipedia on the respective city. And then we just push it into the NLP operator. You see there's quite a lot of settings here on the right-hand side. Most importantly, you set the text attribute to sentences, and then you can set the language. We currently support English, German, French, and Spanish, and then you can do quite a lot of things here. When I run this, what I get is, this is the first sentence, and you see Boston, officially the city of Boston. This is the free text. And then you get what kind this is, like NN for a noun, and so on. Like there's a whole systematic around this, what kind of noun this is, and so on. And then you see, okay, Boston is a city, Boston is again a city, the Commonwealth is an organization, Massachusetts is a state or province, and you get this overview over this thing. And if you go here to the second thing, we see the same thing for Budapest, and so on. And actually there's even way more in the NLP one, like, okay, what relates to what, like, okay, the is relates to Budapest, and so on. So, and populace is again relating to Budapest, of course. Pretty cool stuff, which can be super, super useful when you do these things on your own if you want to explore it. So just install the CoreNLP extension. It's a bit larger because it has quite some dependencies in terms of things you added there. But yeah, free to test it all in your data sets. Post comments below if you have questions or if you want to have additions to the software. Always happy to hear thoughts on these things. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.